Big finish, boys. The Eagles, Heartache Tonight, 104.9 The Surf, Low Country's greatest hits, 8:13. Good morning. Glad to have you along for the ride. And you know what? Our broker is back. I feel like saying, when Jake or Elwood from the Blues Brothers were getting the band back together, we got our broker back. Good morning, sir. How are you?
The broker is back, T-Bone. I got a little crowd up there in Detroit trying to get educated a little bit on some mortgages, but I'm feeling a little better right now.
Good.
But I got great news this week. It is great to be back on the radio. 3 weeks. This is the longest break we've had in a while, actually, in 5 years, T-Bone. But great news. I've missed the reports for 3 weeks, but those 3 weeks we've had rates declining. And we've offered a buy down program over the last 3 weeks. It's expiring September 15th. So everybody, you've got a chance to take advantage of it. But here's the trick to it. It's only on refinance rate and terms. No cash out, no purchase, but you're getting a free 1% buy down from Beaufort Lending and the nation's #1 lender, UWM. So take advantage of that. We've had dozens and dozens and dozens of refinances calling in, and we've actually had a lot of homeowners using a bunch of different ways, T-Bone. Remember, about 6 months ago, we started the buy down program on the refinance, and that's been a very popular program. So you can do the 1% buy down or the 2-1 buy down and use this free 1% buy down we're giving you to actually pay for that. So we're coming up with a bunch of different ways to save some money, get those rates lower, but the Fed is going to lower rates in September. We've already baked those rates in there. And remember last year, T-Bone, September of last year, Fed lowered rates and rates skyrocketed from there. So don't count on this guy to do anything great coming up here in September. We've already factored those lower rates in. The rates are pretty good right now. Now's the time to take advantage of it, T-Bone.
All right, you need to call this number now, 843-524-2404. It will connect you with our broker. What do the rates look like right now?
Hey, right now, VA Earl with the 1% free buy down, 5.5%, maybe 5.6. We've locked in a lot of veterans at 5.6, by far the best rate across the board. Take advantage of that. T-Bone, that's with no points. So that's an unbelievable rate right now. You could buy that down into the low fives if you wanted to. Conventional, that's right around 6.1, 6.2. The FHA, USDA, that's at 6.25, maybe 6% you can get on that as well. And the only reason the VA Earl refinance is 5.5. Remember, you got a free 1% buy down there. So the other rates, these are purchase rates, and those rates are about 0.5% higher. And then we've got the DSCR program. As the rates come down, these investors are really hitting the markets hard, T-Bone. That rate is in the low 7s now for the DSCR, and that's no tax returns, no income, unlimited properties, and that's just based on the cash flow debt service coverage ratio. So those programs are pretty popular, and they're getting more popular as the rates come down. But here's the real advantage of the market right now. These are the calls that we're seeing, T-Bone. The first-time home buyers are really calling in. Property prices are coming down. Rates are coming down. The first-time home buyers are really entering the market right now, and they should. Now's a pretty good time. So get out there, pick your favorite realtor, go look at some of those properties, and let's see if we can make that transaction work for you.
All right. Our broker's number, 843-524-2404, or better yet, just swing on by and see them. Tell them everybody where you're at, bud.
Hey, 1857 Reebok Road and T-Bone. Hey, our team is growing. You know, we've got Gracie, my daughter, on the team, but we've got Jerry, we've got Chrissy. You know, Cher's been with us over 20 years. So got lots of loan officers in the office. We're filling up over here right now. So there's somebody here all day long. Cher's usually here till about 7 o'clock at night, but 8 a.m. to, maybe 5, 7 o'clock. Stop by and see us anytime.
All right. We'll go see our broker. And you know what? When we come back, I'm going to play a song especially for you. You remember Welcome Back, Carter?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And we're going to welcome you back to the Mortgage Minute here on the Surf. I'll roll that big #1 tune from John Sebastian when we return. In your honor, buddy, we'll talk at you next week, okay?
Hey, thanks for all the support. Give us a buzz. Cheers, everybody.